Video tayo edit. Ayun o. May humamon si Master Tabs. May buko ko pag naahon ko to.
May laking pa.
Lulusungin ko tapos ahunin ko. May laeng tapos may buko. Yun o, buko. Alright. Yan ha, game yan ha.
Wala namang oras yan.
Kaya niya ako na pero nahirapan niya. Meron akong mamon dyan, hindi hirapan. Kalahati lang.
Hindi talaga natagpos.
Kalahati lang.
Aangat eh. Aangat talaga yung bike
niya.
niya.
Kahit pa ano siya ron. Hindi, kung malakas ko talaga siya. Hindi naman, kalahati lang yan. Tubo yan.
Hindi makahon siya magbigay ng buko.
Ako naman yan. Pero kalahati.
Oo, sagot mo ko. Sinong ano eh. Tatayuan yan.
Ito tumayo.
Di ba, di ba. Aangat na yung gulong niyan, tatayo na yan.
Taga lang talaga siya pero matibay ito.
Dito yan, dito na siya, dito. Medyo may ano dito eh. May lubog ng konti, angat eh. Oh. Ah, wala, hindi na tinayuan talaga.
Mga nakatayo.
The volatility of like my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drive myself to something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
Ano gusto mo yung fresh o
Way
yung
back before we
fresh
were
tayo?
alone. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back
Electrolytes
to
yan,
a
men.
day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
Ni Master Buwak. Yee! Lakas nito. Joke lang yun.